Hello everyone, welcome to Python series, Python exercise, practice solution starting from the basic. In this video, okay, let's get started. As you can see, I have already created the print calendar, month, year. So let's start coding. Import space calendar, and then assigning a variable of year equals to and put the message and put the year simply and m for variable of a month equals to end and put the message and put the month. Okay, done. Let me print this. Print calendar dot month. Inside that one, year, y means year, comma, m, month, variable of month that I already say that input from user and display the message. So let's save and run. Year 2021 and month 4, and here is the calendar 2021 April, correct, and the code is available in the description below, the link and my GitHub account. Thank you for watching, have fun, bye.